If you're considering Church Community Builder for your church's management needs, here are 12 key things you should know before making a purchase. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what sets it apart from other options and whether it's the right choice for your church. The first thing you need to know is that Church Community Builder is designed for churches of all sizes, offering tools for membership management, event planning, volunteer coordination, and communication. Compared to other platforms like Planning Center or Breeze, it offers a comprehensive set of features that can scale with your church, making it ideal for those looking for an all-in-one solution. Next thing to consider is the pricing. Church Community Builder operates on a subscription model that varies based on your church size. While the base plan is affordable for smaller churches, pricing can quickly increase as you add features or grow your membership. It's important to factor in long-term costs, especially if you're comparing it to other software like ChurchTrack, which may offer more cost-effective solutions for smaller churches. The third thing to keep in mind is the learning curve. Some users report that Church Community Builder can be a bit complex to navigate, especially for those new to church management software. It might take some time to get comfortable with the interface and features, which can be a downside when compared to more user-friendly platforms like Tithe.ly. The fourth thing to know is about its communication tools. Church Community Builder offers excellent communication features such as mass email and text messaging, as well as the ability to create personalized communication campaigns. However, these features are not as intuitive or advanced as what you'll find with a competitor like Flocknote, which offers even better segmentation and integration for church messaging. The fifth thing you should know is that Church Community Builder's volunteer management tools are robust, but can be a bit overwhelming. While it allows you to track volunteer hours and roles, you may find it lacking in ease of use compared to platforms like Planning Center People, which focuses specifically on volunteer coordination. Moving on to the sixth point, you'll want to know about its integration capabilities. Church Community Builder does integrate with some third-party applications, but it doesn't have the same extensive list of integrations as platforms like Planning Center or Breeze. If your church relies heavily on other software, this might be something to consider. The seventh thing to know is about its mobile app. Church Community Builder has a mobile app, but it's not as feature-rich or intuitive as what you might get with other platforms like ChurchTrack or Breeze. If mobile accessibility is important to you, you might want to explore alternatives. The eighth thing to consider is its support. Church Community Builder does offer a variety of support options, including live chat, email, and a knowledge base. However, response times can vary, and some users feel that the support experience isn't as responsive or personal as with other platforms like Tithe.ly. Next thing to know is its reporting tools. Church Community Builder offers detailed reports, which can be great for tracking growth and engagement, but some users find them a bit complex and difficult to customize. In comparison, platforms like Breeze or Planning Center offer easier-to-use reporting tools with more visual analytics. The 10th thing is about the flexibility of the platform. Church Community Builder offers a lot of customization options, allowing you to tailor it to your church's needs. However, some users report that the customization process is time-consuming and requires more technical know-how, whereas platforms like Planning Center provide more out-of-the-box flexibility. The 11th point is its community-building features. Church Community Builder does a good job facilitating online community engagement through features like discussion boards and group messaging. While it's effective, it doesn't have the same level of community-building tools as a platform like Flocknote, which excels in this area. Finally, the 12th thing to know is that Church Community Builder does offer a free trial, so you can try out the platform before committing. However, if you're looking for a more affordable, user-friendly alternative with fewer complexities, we recommend checking out our solution that offers a free trial as well. It might just be the better fit for your church's needs. Church Community Builder is a solid choice for churches looking for a comprehensive management solution. While it may not be the best fit for everyone, it's certainly worth exploring. However, if you want a solution